In case there was ever any doubt, Donald Trump is going to be front and center in this fall's midterm elections. And this week, we saw Republicans circling the wagons around the former president in a way that we haven't seen since the last election. Here now to discuss is the Republican governor of Arkansas, Asa Hutchinson. Sir, we thank you so much for spending part of your Sunday with us. This FBI search warrant that we saw revealed that investigators took multiple boxes from Mar-a-Lago, multiple sets of top secret documents, including some classified at the highest security level. You, just to put into context here, you're a former U.S. attorney, a former DHS official. You served on the Intelligence Committee when you were in Congress. Are you alarmed that the former president possessed this highly classified material at his unsecured resort?
Sure, I'm concerned about it, and I understand the need to retrieve those documents. There's a lot of facts, as Congressman Turner pointed out, that we do not have yet. And the biggest question is why and how. Why were those documents there? Why did the White House believe that they wanted them there, presumably if that was the case? And so those facts have to be determined. And so the American public is operating without sufficient information. I think we all have to take a deep breath and say we're going to have to wait to see the facts that come out. There is some urgency in it because this is unprecedented. The search of a former president's home. The American public wants to understand that. And right now, you mentioned the circling of the wagons around Donald Trump, and it's simply because they see the establishment as going after Donald Trump, and they question whether that was the right move and whether it was less intrusive means to accomplish the same purpose. We're going to have to be a little patient. Attorney General did the right thing by getting information out this week, some information. I actually encouraged him to release the affidavit in redacted form, but that would provide and shed more information on why this search might have been necessary and explain the probable cause that the judge saw whenever he signed the search warrant.
Republicans, you've heard them, they have been also attacking the FBI over this investigation. Let's listen to some of this.
The FBI raid of President Trump is a complete abuse and overreach of its authority.
Do I know that the boxes of material they took from Mar-a-Lago, that they won't put things in those boxes to entrap him?
I will make sure these tyrants pay the price.
The way our federal government has gone, it's like what we thought about the Gestapo and people like that they just go after people.
More recently, Trump's social network actually amplified a conservative report with the personal information of the FBI agents who were involved in the search. Are Trump and some Republicans putting the lives of the FBI's men and women at risk?
Well, the GOP is going to be the party of supporting law enforcement. Law enforcement includes the FBI. As United States Attorney, I work with the FBI, the DEA, the federal law enforcement agencies. Those folks on the ground do extraordinarily heroic efforts to enforce our rule of law, which is fundamental to the Republican Party and to our democracy. The FBI is part of that. And so, yes, we need to pull back on casting judgment on them. No doubt that they've higher ups and the FBI has made mistakes. They do it. I've defended cases as well, and I've seen wrong actions. But we cannot say that whenever they went in and did that search that they were not doing their job as law enforcement officers. If you want to hold people accountable, it is the Department of Justice. It is the Attorney General who said he supervised that. The FBI is simply carrying out their responsibilities under the law, a lawful search warrant that a magistrate signed off on. And they didn't go in there with FBI raid jackets. They tried to constrain their behavior carrying out that warrant. So let's support law enforcement. Let's stand with them, whether it's the DEA, the FBI, or your local law enforcement. That's critically important that we do that because they're simply trying to do their job and to keep anarchy away from our country.
I want to talk to you about abortion because Arkansas has done something interesting. Arkansas, yes, has an unenviable record on maternal and infant care, but you've taken some steps to improve care for mothers and infants, like expanding Medicaid coverage for pregnant women. If you are going, if Republican states are going to force women to have babies they wouldn't otherwise have had, do those Republican-led states need to support them more? Because many states are not doing this.
Well, the answer is yes, and I hope that we're all looking at that, because in Arkansas, because we had a trigger law that we have reduced the number of abortions dramatically. Last year we had 3,000, and that means there's going to be 3,000 pregnancies in round numbers that might be unwanted or might be under difficult circumstances. And so we've got to provide the maternal care, the improved foster care. We've got to be able to provide increased adoption services. And it's not because we've neglected that in the past, it's because we do anticipate more live births, which is a good thing and something we support. And so here in Arkansas, we have made progress in reducing teen pregnancy, but our infant mortality rate is not where it should be, and that counts those infants that die in the first year after birth. And so we want to expand Medicaid coverage, health care services for that mom with that young child in their home to increase the chances of survivability and better health outcomes, both for the mom and both for the child.
I want to ask you about something in Nebraska where an 18-year-old and her mother are facing multiple charges after allegedly conducting an illegal self-managed medication abortion. You had police there obtaining their private Facebook messages, which is raising concerns that law enforcement is going to use people's private data to enforce state abortion laws. Complicated case yes. But is that something that you would endorse in Arkansas, and do you think this is right?
Well, I'm not familiar with that specific case, but it's very important under Arkansas law and that in all of the pro-life laws that we have, that we say that it's illegal to perform an abortion and the penalties is after the provider. There is no punishment for the woman. That is not the target of what we have, nor should it be, nor should we collect the data for that purpose.
It was self-managed.
Well,
right?
You're right.
It's
So there's
a
not a provider,
medication. So don't go after them.
So there should. Yeah, don't go after the woman. That's not the target of that. If there's some provider or some internet provider that sent that medication in, that would be a violation of Arkansas law, but there's no penalty, consequences for the woman. We have sympathy for her. We want to improve the health. We want to help them make the right decisions and to care for that child.
Governor Hutchinson, it's great to have you. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you. Great to be with you.